is my school about? I'm actually going to write them down.
Do you know?
Hi, this is Zaria. Hi, Rebecca.
Do you know your ABCs?
And I was wondering, why did you go back to your house?
Well, she had to go home.
Okay.
She'll be back in the
Happy
summer.
New Year.
Oh, it's not New Year anymore.
Happy New Year.
It's April.
Thank you. I love you, best friend.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
Do you, so you learn your ABCs in school?
Yeah, I do.
You know them?
Well, actually, I want to start on my letters first so I can do my ABCs, but we're going to start on the letters about
We'll come back around here.
Yeah, and I actually want my letter fixed. Because I know how to write my name. I just don't know, Becca. When you do it, you make it smart. I love you, best friend. You love you too, baby.
So can you say your ABCs?
Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Like A, K, E, E, I, P, J, K, A, N, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now, none of your ABCs not too much to say with me.
What's my name begin with?
I don't know.
G.
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 What's your name begin with?
I don't know. I gotta start my letter because I don't want to see the whole rainbow. I saw a rainbow outside, actually. It's a big one.
What colors were on it?
Pink, purple. That's all I know is this purple.
Was there red in it?
Yes, red.
Blue?
Yes.
Yellow?
Yes.
Periwinkle?
Yes.
Purple people eater?
Why would I say that? Can I get that leaf?
Sure.
So I actually rarely fly up there. Hey! Why didn't it fly?
Because it can't. It's not windy enough. Woohoo!
This is you, okay? Say woohoo.
Woohoo!
See you have fun.
So what'd you do in Michigan?
See you have fun.
Uh-huh.
Does it fly? I don't know. I just think I want to do with this.
Oh, be careful with that
And
chair.
honest, I wanted to see my best friend back.
Oh.
He's not going to see me, is he?